Hey folks, Dan with Sundollar here. We're doing another Powerwall. This is going really fast. So Greg, Billy, Brandon, and the boys really just been crushing it on this one. So there's the open circuit panel ready to land the lines. Here's the gateway where everything goes in. And Greg's just about done finishing up wiring that. Woohoo! Looks good. Just thought I'd show you really quickly. But a lot of people are interested in these Powerwalls now. We've been getting a good amount of orders. Powerwall is a little delayed on delivering them, unfortunately. But I have a feeling that product's really going to take off. So here's the solar panels. Try to show you. Looks good. And in this one, the Powerwalls, the batteries are actually in the garage. So I'll just take you a walk around. The guys are kind of getting them set up on the other side over here. Hey boys.
Heyo.
You're on video.
Hey, howdy.
There's a Powerwall. That looks pretty good. He's got two of them, just so you can see there's one, two. They stack out like that when they're on the ground. And it's a pretty small footprint, so yeah, doesn't take up a lot of space. That would be 26 kilowatt hours of battery bank, and it should be about 10,000 watts of instantaneous power. So it's considered a whole home battery backup. So if the grid goes out, they'll have power from the solar powering their whole house, which is great. And it just clicks right in. It doesn't, there's no buttons you have to press, no nothing. And the Powerwall can also be programmed to maximum self-consumption if you want. So if you have a utility where they kind of don't reimburse you a straight credit for every kilowatt hour you send to the grid, you can get a Powerwall, and every day it stores energy, any extra energy, into the Powerwall, and at nighttime it discharges it into your home and gives you an even exchange. So you're getting the full benefit of the energy you produce from solar. So it's pretty cool. Here, I'll show you again. They did this really quick. I think that the whole thing has been like 3 days. So yeah, it's been cool. Good project. The boys are getting used to it. I think they like it. I'll talk to you later.